Everyone,
Yes.
send me your mail ID in a group. So after this class, I will send the recording to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
now,
sir.
guys, write down about SAP first. SAP is system application products in data processing. Everybody can understand Telugu? Ayas, Telugu aati kya? Malinath, Shiva can
Yes.
understand, Smita understand.
नहीं
No.
नहीं सर, तेलुगु नहीं आती सर।
अच्छा अच्छा, कहाँ से है आप? अयस, हैदराबाद से ही ना?
जी हाँ, हैदराबाद से।
अच्छा, okay. So SAP is system.
Actually, I'm from Bombay, so I'm absolutely.
Acha, you are also from Bombay. Okay, Divya.
Yeah.
So you can ask me your doubts in Telugu, Hindi or English. If you have anything, मेरा डाउट सुनते अड़गंडी. कभी भी कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो. Okay.
ओके
Oh,
सर।
So let's coming into the next one. SAP is existed in Germany. SAP is existed in Germany. And SAP was started in 1972 with 5 IBM employees. Right? And everyone has taken the server access. सबने सर्वर एक्सेस ले लिया है क्या प्रैक्टिस के लिए? अंदर तक सर्वर एक्सेस सुन लो फॉर प्रैक्टिस.
यस सर। सर ये
no, actually, I haven't.
Yeah, try to take it tomorrow. Okay, we need to start the practical session. And
Okay.
SAP is required by manufacturing companies. Write down all these points because we should know about the SAP concepts and process first. SAP is required by the manufacturing company, service-based company, product-based company, and banking sector. They are all required SAP. But they can't develop the SAP within the organization. They can't develop SAP in own organization. So what do? They will contact to IT team to develop the SAP. All IT companies are developing the SAP. They will connect to IT company to develop the SAP. Right? So where we are going to work? We are going to work in IT company. What do? We can develop the SAP. How to develop the SAP? How to work in SAP? Now we can learn. Is it clear, everyone?
यस।
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి మళ్ళీ. किसी को समझ में नहीं आया तो पूछिए। Now, write down about the second thing, system landscape process. System landscape process. Okay. So in system landscape process, we have 3 servers. We have 3 servers. That is into development server. Write down these 3 boxes like this. First one is development server. Second one is quality server. Third one is production. Development, quality, the both are existed in IT company. Development, quality, both are existed in IT company. Manufacturing company is existed in production server. Okay. So we are learning 3 server details. Development server is used to create the data. Quality server is used to test the data. Production server is used to use the data. So just now we discussed about the process. Tell me anyone who required SAP, manufacturing company or IT company?
Manufacturing company.
Right, manufacturing company required SAP. They will tell to IT team, so we can develop the SAP software in IT company. Okay, developing the sense, we can create the data here, move it to quality. And quality server, we can do the testing, move it to production. Now, we should understand one more thing, that as an example, how do we do it? If you are creating any account, a general ledger account, after creation of the account, I'll move the data to quality server. There in quality, we will do the testing. How to do the testing of any account or any information we should know. Like I can test the account with debit credit accounting entry, different account I can take, different amounts I can take, different currency and report I can generate. अगर सब कुछ सही रहा तो ही हम उसको ప్రొడక్షన్ సర్వర్ में డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ करेंगे. అన్ని కరెక్ట్ ఉంటేనే మనము ప్రొడక్షన్ సర్వర్లోకి డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాం. And this is about our 3 server process details. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm coming with the
Sir, I have the doubt between when the laser creation is done, then it is moved to quality test. So what happens in quality test?
repeat again. I can't understand your question.
We have done the first box you have mentioned
It's a
GL2
development server. Yeah,
2009.
in development server, we can create the
Yes.
data.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
and
GL is the general ledger data we have created.
creation means we will get the data, we will get the document, just enter in the screen and save it. That is creation.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And we can test it, whether this accounts and all information are working or not. We can test it. If everything is done good, then we can move it to production server. And we have jobs in IT company also, so we can work in these two server. We have jobs in manufacturing company also, we can work in manufacturing company production server. आप समझ में आया आपको? अर्थమైందా?
Yes.
Okay, now right on the next process. डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट मतलब एसएपी में अगर डेटा डेवलप करना है या क्रिएट करना है तो उस प्रोजेक्ट को हम डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट कहते हैं. ఎస్ఏపిలో డేటా క్రియేట్ చేయాలన్నా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయాలన్నా దాన్ని మనము డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటాం. ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ కమింగ్ విత్ ది development project process. Development project is also called as implementation project, also called as end-to-end project. Okay, development project also called as implementation and end-to-end. So this process, project process, is called as SAP methodology. SAP methodology. प्रोजेक्ट जो क्रिएट करते हैं, डेवलप करते हैं, उस प्रोसेस को हम SAP methodology कहते हैं. ప్రాజెక్ట్ డెవలప్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్ని మనము అసాప్ మెథడాలజీ అంటాం. అసాప్ మీన్స్ యాక్సలరేటెడ్ SAP methodology. Now I am coming with the process. We have 5 phases into that. We have 5 phases. Coming into the first one, project preparation. प्रोजेक्ट को कैसा बनाना है उसका प्लानिंग प्रोजेक्ट प्रिपरेशन के फेज में होगा. ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎలా తయారు చేయాలి, దాన్ని డెవలప్ ఎలా చేయాలి, దాని ప్రాసెస్ అనేది ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఫేజ్లో ఉంటుంది. సో వాట్ డు వి డూ హియర్? మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ కంపెనీ అండ్ ఐటీ కంపెనీ communicate together. They will communicate together. About what? About to when to start the project, when to end the project, cost of the project, total duration, how many servers are required, how many modules are required, how many team leader and manager are required, and technical team and functional team requirement. तो ये सब का डिस्कशन होगा पहले फेज में. వీటన్నిటి యొక్క డిస్కషన్ జరుగుతుంది ఫస్ట్ ఫేజ్ లో. కమింగ్ టు ద సెకండ్, బిజినెస్ బ్లూ ప్రింట్. ఓకే, बिजनेस ब्लूप्रिंट इज अ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन फेज. यहाँ पे 2 డాక్యుమెంట్ बनेंगे. ఇక్కడ 2 డాక్యుమెంట్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. फर्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट जो क्लाइंट के पास एग्जिस्टेड डेटा है उसको कलेक्ट करके लिखना. कलेक्ट द डेटा फ्रॉम क्लाइंट అండ్ రైట్ హియర్. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర క్లయింట్ దగ్గర ఉన్న డేటాని కలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని రాసుకోవడం. లైక్ హౌ మెనీ లెడ్జర్స్ దే హ్యావ్, హౌ మెనీ వెండర్ కస్టమర్ దే హ్యావ్. రిలేటెడ్ టు ఫైనాన్స్ డేటా ఓన్లీ వీ కెన్ కలెక్ట్. సెకండ్, we can write here how to create the data in SAP. SAPలో డేటా ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అది ఇక్కడ రాసుకుంటాం. SAP में डेटा कैसे क्रिएट करने वाले हैं वी आर राइटिंग इन दिस डॉक्यूमेंट. ओके एंड इट इज टू बी. All right. Business blueprint phase. There we have two documents. First document is called as is. Second document is called as to be. First, second. क्या है वो करेक्ट करके लिखना, कैसा క్రియేట్ करने वाले हैं उसको लिखना. ఏముంది వాళ్ళ దగ్గర అది కరెక్ట్ చేసుకొని రాసుకోవడం, ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి దాన్ని కూడా రాసుకోవడం. దిస్ ఇస్ బిజినెస్ బ్లూప్రింట్ డన్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ కమింగ్ విత్ ద థర్డ్ ఫేజ్, realization phase. In realization, we can create the data. Realization phase. So what do we need to create the data? As is or to be? By which document we can use to create the data?
As is.
Tell me guys, everyone. Is it right? फिर से बोल रहा हूं, देखो మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. క్లయింట్ के पास क्या है वो हम కలెక్ట్ करके लिख लेंगे. క్లయింట్ దగ్గర ఏముందో అది తీసుకొని రాసుకొని ఉంచుకుంటున్నాను. దట్ ఈస్ యాజ్ ఈస్. टू बी. SAP में कैसा क्रिएट करोगे वो लिख रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे. SAP లో ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అది to be లో రాసుకుంటున్నాను. నౌ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ క్రియేషన్. అయాజ్ बोलो.
As is.
To be.
First, we have to collect the client details. Then we have to create the SAP.
तो एज इज को यूज करके हम डेटा क्रिएट करते बोलो.
जी हाँ, एज इज से पहले डाटा लेते क्लाइंट से, उसके
मेरी
बाद
बात सुनो,
क्रिएट
मेरी बात सुनो,
डाटा
मेरी
SAP में
बात सुनो.
डालते.
लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. फिर बता रहा हूँ, तीसरी बार बता रहा हूँ. क्लाइंट के पास 100 जनरल लेजर अकाउंट है. ओके मैं इंफॉर्मेशन ले लिया, मेरे नोट्स में लिख लिया, हो गया वो. बट एसीबी में कैसा क्रिएट करते भाई, हम
जी
उसके लिए शॉर्टकट कीज यूज करते. उसको करेंसी होना, उसके नंबर्स होना, ये
जी
यहाँ पे लिख लिए. तो हमको एज इज की जरूरत नहीं है. एज इज को यूज करके टू बी बनाए ना.
To be.
एसएपी में कैसा क्रिएट
टू बी
करना
टू
लिख
बी
लिए
बराबर.
ना. काई को लिखे फिर, क्रिएट करने का नहीं है
जी
तो.
हाँ जी हाँ.
राइट.
जी
भाई
जी
वी हैव
जी.
रिटन इफ यू डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट इट. तो हम टू बी
ఓకే.
को यूज करके वी कैन क्रिएट द డేటా. అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి మళ్ళీ. యాజ్ ఈజ్ ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము, వాళ్ళ డేటా కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని రాసుకున్నాం, వాళ్ళది ఏముందో అది రాసుకున్నాం, దట్స్ ఇట్. వీ డోంట్ నీడ్ దట్. బట్ ఎస్ఏపిలో ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అనేది టూ బీలో రాసుకున్నాం. వాళ్ళ డేటా ఎస్ఏపిలో ఎలా ఎంటర్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ సెట్ అవుతుంది, అదే టు బి
Yes, sir.
ప్రకారమే వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ అ రియలైజేషన్. దెన్ వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ద డేటా యాజ్ పర్ టు బి. నెక్స్ట్, ఫైనల్ ప్రిపరేషన్. Final preparation is always a testing phase. We can do testing here. कोई भी चीज की टेस्टिंग करना ये प्रोसेस में करेंगे, ఇక్కడ అన్ని టెస్టింగ్స్ చేస్తాం. If testings are done, we can do the last phase, go live. Go live means we can transfer the data to client server. Each and every point you have to remember, every process why we are doing, how we are doing, what is the main things. Okay, so let me revise it again. What we are doing in project preparation, we are communicating together, manufacturing IT. Business blueprint. Anyone explain me what is the business blueprint? What do we do here? In any language you can explain.
Actually, we
Documentation
collect.
phase.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah, Divya, boli.
so in document phase, as it we collect data from the client and
Hmm.
we write it in numerics numbers that
In
is
word
used in
file.
SAP.
एक word file में लिख लेते हैं. हाँ. Then
Yes. Okay. Then we will use that data in realization. Next step.
to be कहाँ चला गया?
Yeah, we use to be data.
आपको समझ में नहीं आया शायद. हाँ, tell me anyone. Sweta, tell me.
In this phase, documentation phase, we
Hmm.
are collecting data actually.
Hmm.
We'll be taking data from the client and we write
Right.
it here
Right.
as is.
Hmm.
And to be, we can write here how to create data in SAP.
Right. अभी समझे? Shiva, tell me.
సార్
ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం ఇక్కడ?
క్లయింట్ నుంచి డేటా కలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం అక్కడ
రైట్.
అండ్ రాసేసుకుంటాం. మరి ఇది ఏసీపీలో మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్.
ఎస్ఏపిలో క్రియేట్ చేయబోయేది టూబీలో రాసుకుంటున్నాం.
ఏసీపీలో క్రియేట్ చేయబోయి టూ రాసుకుంటాం.
ఓకే, ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. Okay, it's a company information. Okay, I'm going to Tata. They have their old software details. They have company name. Okay, they have company address and company fax details. That's it. In old software, they have these details only. समझ रहे हो? पुराने सॉफ्टवेयर में क्लाइंट के पास ये डिटेल्स ही हैं. పాత సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో ఎస్ఏపిలో పాత సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ కంపెనీలో ఇవే డీటెయిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దట్ ఐ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్
Yes.
డౌన్ హియర్ ఇన్ యాజ్ ఈస్. డన్. బట్ హౌ టు క్రియేట్ ద డేటా ఇన్ ఎస్ఏపి? Here, if you can create the company details, we have all these details. We have company, full name, company 2. Street also we have to mention. PO box भी होना. Postal code కావాలి. City, country, language, currency. So these details we can write it first. Where? In to be document. You don't need to worry to write it down. They will write it down. They will create it in a document and they will give you to create it. But process you should know what is going on. आप समझे? आया? समझ में आया अब?
Yes, sir.
Now, realization. What do we do here, guys? We can
We can
create
create
the
the
data
data.
as per the to be document.
Yes.
Then final preparation, we'll do testing and go live. Transfer to client.
Transfer data to
That's it. And we have again 3 servers. And what do we do in 3 servers? Development server. What do we do here?
యూస్ టు
create data,
Create the data. Quality server.
test the data,
Test
Test
the
the
data.
production server.
Use the
Use
data.
the data.
Use the
Right.
data.
IT companies having which servers?
Development and quality.
Very good. Manufacturing companies having which servers?
Production.
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 In which server I can do test?
IT.
Quality.
Uh,
IT is a
Quality
company.
Quality.
and
Yeah,
quality.
IT is a quality. IT is a company, quality is a server. So try to explain me more. Try to communicate with me more. जितना ज्यादा आप मुझसे बात करोगे उतना ज्यादा आपको सब्जेक्ट समझ में आएगा. మీరు నాతో ఇంత ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడితే అంత మీకు సబ్జెక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. యూ కెన్ గివ్ మీ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ఫైన్. 100 times wrong answers, but you feel that you are speaking something and communication will increase, confidence will increase, है ना. ज्यादा बात करोगे इसके बारे में ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. That is fine. If you can give a wrong answers, that is fine. But at least you can try now. Okay. Shiva, Divya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we can start the practical session from the first step tomorrow. Connect everyone and we'll start it. And try to send me everyone your mail ID. I will send the
Okay,
recording
sir.
to you
Yes.
and make it 2 separate notes.
Okay, sir.
One is for theory notes. I will dictate in the class also. Second notes, you can put it for your interview questions. Sometimes I will give you the interview questions, answers. I will explain you in an easy language. So you can maintain that also.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
we'll connect tomorrow, everyone, and
Done,
we'll
sir.
connect the class. Okay.
Oh,
Hmm?
okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Good night.
Thank you. Good night,
Okay.
everyone. Bye.
Yeah, good night.
Good night, sir.
Night.
Good night, sir.
Night.